Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the track and prove, encrypt, e-sign, file share, and other features. This video will review the RMail Safe Sender, also known as Anti-Whaling setting in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. Whaling is a type of cyber attack targeting a company's senior executives, typically the CEO, CFO, or high-level persons, by using high-pressure tactics to divulge sensitive information or steal money by wire. Attackers go to great lengths to learn about the executives, such as stalking their social media account or using other attacks to gain enough access to the network to eavesdrop on executives' email communications. The RMail anti-whaling feature detects email tactics scammers use to obtain information by alerting the potential victim prior to forwarding or replying to a suspicious email. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. The Safe Sender or Anti-Whaling settings include the following. The first setting is to enable the Anti-Whaling Phishing Alerts. When checked, the Anti-Whaling feature is turned on. The second is to display the Anti-Whaling icon on the feature pop-up. The Anti-Whaling icon is a green whale-looking icon at the bottom of the feature pop-up. The third is to display the Safe Sender button on the warning pop-up. In this example, MS Hammer at sbcglobal.net is the sender. And what this person is doing is trying to create a communication before asking for information that's sensitive or money. When the sender presses the reply button or forward, a pop-up comes up. In this case, it says, warning, your reply will be routed to someone other than the displayed email sender, etc. If the sender presses OK, you'll notice that the sender address changed from mshammer at sbcglobal.net to mshammer1@gmail.com. This is often not noticed, and a communication can go back and forth. When the Safe Sender button is pressed, the address will automatically go in the Safe Sender section in the settings panel. Pressing the Safe Sender should only be used absolutely sure and verified who the sender is and why the address changes upon forwarding or reply. The Anti-Whaling Safe Sender list is stored in the file location, so that list can be disseminated to groups or teams if needed. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If a setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Please be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.